Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this 12V cordless rotary tool, the model PFBS 12C7 from Parkside, for drilling, milling, grinding, polishing, cleaning, cutting and engraving. With adjustable rotation speed, powerful 12V Li-ion battery, 1.3 Ah and 44 attachments. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. You can remove the upper case, and inside we have the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. The charging cable with a length 1.5 meters, type A to type C. And the accessories, I will show you one by one all the accessories, but first let's move on at the tool. The tool is designed with an ergonomic grip, ensuring comfort during extended use. The lightweight and well-balanced design reduces hand fatigue, making it easier to control during intricate tasks. Here we have the Type-C port. Very soft elements, I like that. It includes a battery level indicator to monitor the charging status and remaining battery life, so you can avoid unexpected interruptions during work. Red, yellow and green is fully charged. The tool features variable speed settings, allowing you to adjust the speed to match the material and task at hand. The speed range it is from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM, providing versatility for different types of work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 speeds. Press and hold. First speed. Press again and it starts. And off. Press and hold. Speed adjustment with this button. Wow! And first again. And off. Here we have the union nut. If you want, you can remove that. The tensioning nut at the front. Ventilations around the tool. I like it. The spindle lock. It locks. And you can loosen the screw and install one of these accessories. Combination spanner. It helps to loosen and tie the screw. Inside here we have 16 cutting discs, this brown color, and another 4 grinding discs, gray and pink color. 4 collet chucks and another one pre-install it, so you can remove the tension nut and replace with one of these. You can use with one of the 6 HSS drill bits. Wow, they are so small. Not that, there it is. This is the smallest for a precise work. It depends the diameter of the drill bit. Then you can use one of these collets. lock it, use this key, we have another 5 grinding bits here. Depending the work you need to do, use one of these attachments. 3 polishing discs, 1 metal brass, and 1 synthetic brass, and another one here. And here we have 3 milling bits and 2 engraving bits. Wow, that is a precise work. And another 2 mandrels as tool holders. You can use these ones for the cutting discs, the thinner or the thicker. So that is all the accessories. Let me plug it in and I will wait to fully charge to have full power when I will do the test. And we have green light, so it's fully charged. Unplug. Now let's test that at the wood. First speed, second, third, 4, 5, 6, maximum, and first again. Nice! Plastic. Now let's try the cutting disc. The quick change collet system allows for easy and fast swapping of attachments, reducing downtime and allowing you to move from one task to another efficiently. Remove the screw. We have 2 washers. And then use the key and tie it very good the disc. The 12 volts battery ensures cordless freedom, allowing you to work on various projects without being tethered to a power outlet. This is particularly useful for tasks that require movement or access to tight spaces. And of course you can cut other materials. Let's use one of these grinding bits. depends the material you have, you need to use the corresponding attachment. Now let's use one of the engraving bits. This rotary tool comes with a variety of accessories and attachments, including cutting discs, sanding pads, polishing pads and drill bits. This allows you to perform a wide range of tasks with one tool, making it highly versatile for multiple applications. And one of these grinding discs. The cordless rotary tool 12 volts is a highly versatile, portable and user-friendly tool, perfect for precision work across a variety of materials. Its cordless design, variable speed control and wide range of included accessories making it a reliable tool for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you are cutting, sanding, engraving or polishing, this rotary tool offers flexibility and ease of use in compact package. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more tool reviews, tips and project ideas. Thanks for watching and as always, stay creative, keep building and I'll catch you in the next video.